Good morning, my wonderful students. You're welcome to Regina pacis online teaching. I'm Ms. Obanaya Chioma. I'm here to teach you basic science. Our topic says friction, specific objective. These are the things I expect my students to know by the end of this lesson. 1. To be able to define friction. 2. State 3 advantages of friction. 3. Mention 2 disadvantages of friction. Now, what is friction? Friction is a force that restricts or opposes the movement when two surfaces are in contact. Okay? Friction holds back the movement of sliding objects. If a car needs to stop at a stop sign, it stops or slows down because of friction, which occurs between the tire and the wheel. Now, the advantages of friction. What do you gain from friction or the merit of friction? 1. Friction helps in walking upright without slipping. It is friction that helps me to walk without slipping or without falling down. 2. It enables us to hold our pen perfectly and right. It is friction that helps me to write. 3. It helps us to strike our matchstick against our matches box to produce light. It is friction that helps one, you and I, to strike our matches box when we want to cook at home. 4. It helps us to sharpen our knives. When your knife is blunt, you need to do what? To sharpen your knife. Friction helps to do what? To do that. 5. It helps us to grind our pepper using grinding machine. Okay? When you want to cook at home, you cook with your pepper, and you don't grind a pepper with your hand. Rather, you use either your mortar or your grinding machine. So the friction in that machine helps to do what? To grind. 6. Friction helps a ladder and the ground or wall. It prevents it from slipping when one climbs on it. For example, people that usually try to do one thing or the other at the pole, the electrician precisely, they make use of ladder. It is friction that helps them to climb that ladder without doing what? Falling down. Now, disadvantages of friction. 1. It causes wear and tear of moving parts in a machine. When you continue using machine often and on, there will be a time when you observe that it no longer does the same work or is no longer efficient as it used to be. This is what we call what? Wear and tear. 2. To overcome wear and tear, lubricant has to be used, leading to extra what? Costs. Lubricants or oil, you buy them and it requires what? Money. So all those things are what? The disadvantages. 3. Friction opposes motion. Motion can also said to be what? Movement. Hence, friction opposes what? Movement. That brings us to the end of our lesson. Now take your assignments. Write this assignment and forward it to the number below. This is my WhatsApp number. 1. Define friction. 2. State 3 advantages of friction. 3. Mention 2 disadvantages of friction. Thanks.